Painting is a #1 do-it-yourself home improvement project, and here are my 3 favorite painting tips. First, when you're starting with a new roller sleeve, spray it with a little water. Put water in a plant mister, light coating, and then just roll off the excess water on a clean piece of cardboard. And what you're doing is removing all those loose fibers from the factory because you don't want them to end up on your wall. And then when you go to pour in the paint to the tray, instead of pouring it directly into the tray, which means cleaning it or even buying a liner, you can make one out of a piece of foil. Tear off a big old piece of foil and crimp it right into the tray. You want to make sure you cover all surfaces, just like that. Then at the end of the day, if there's excess paint, you can pour it into the can or just take the foil out, crumple it up, toss it out, nice clean tray, no paint on your hands or the tray. The final tip is, at the end of the day, when you're done painting, or if you want to take a break or maybe paint the next morning, rather than removing the sleeve and cleaning it, try this trick. Get a plastic bag, a clean plastic bag, and pull the sleeve off into the bag. Then twist tie it, pop it into the refrigerator. The next morning, you'll be ready to paint.